Yeah, what up? Castles and beer!
A bumbling tourist UK adventure vlog series.
Smells like delicious breakfast.
They all came down together in one giant clump. That's probably a little better. Magic.
I think the fence bits may have been more recently added. They don't look medieval to me. I mean, they could be, but I don't actually know. Look at that garden goal right there. Although I'm thinking the garden season must be longer than ours because my garden is a frost zone right now. That's so cool. More walls coming at you. Maybe you can speed this up and then they'll come at you faster. Hey wall, we'll talk about you.
It's pretty long. There's certain times of days and certain spaces where you can get entire stretches of it to yourself.
Yeah, and there's bricks.
Yeah.
There's birds.
Sun shining. Pretty trees.
Yeah.
All the things that you don't need us to tell you because you can see them for yourself.
Let's walk
This
up
is
this
a
thing.
pretty dope chill area.
Wow.
This would be a
Look at the
brilliant
view.
spot to sneak in some cheeky beers.
Yeah. Bed watching. Or duck watching. There's a little bridge over here, and there's a little bridge over there, and there's a little thing over here, and there's a little man right there taking photos like he always does.
What up, Clifford's Tower? What up, your castle?
Yeah, York Castle. We're pretty sure this is the back side of York Castle. We didn't want to pay £22 to go into York Castle Museum, so we went around back. So I'm guessing this is probably the castle, but I could be wrong. So once again, we found a favorite place in the city, much like we found in Dublin, that beer market. Brewdog's just amazing.
Yeah.
So, you want to see what we have here? You want to start this way?
We have the resting beach face.
Sour, right?
Yeah, it's a sour. There's another sour. Had a German name, I forget.
Yeah, it was something that sounded like Liechtenstein, but it's not.
It's called Straight Up.
Just straight up.
Straight Up.
And the last guy is a cherry sour, is that true? So a bunch of sours.
What up, resting beach face?
What up, smoky sour?
What up, straight up?
Yo, what up, black cherry sour? I like my beer, blood, sweat, and beer style. And this little guy is pretty cute too. And also this little guy. But this guy's cuter. But also this guy. But this guy's cuter. No, I'm not. That is a delightful store. So what's that one? All the Harry Potter things.
Walk outside.
Yeah. This is delightful though. It's such a good street. Well, I got gin already for my mom. That's all we really need. Yeah. Remember how I said I was related to Vikings?
That'd be a cool mug to have right
Yeah. Any of these. Look at that wolf. Look at that thing.
there. Yeah.
Like, was that ever square?
Weren't
I
they
hope so.
trying to match like the angles of the street when they did it, or what?
I wonder if there was like just a settling of the earth.
I don't know.
Theater style is just so cool. Should have gone in there and looked at Christmas stuff. Maybe this will be out by the time it's Christmas. I doubt it, but this is really cool. Look at that little cutout pine cone tree back there. Oh, look at the teddies. Me and my tiny teddy.
This tiger's neckerchief is he's a delightful gentleman. That's all I have to say.
Delightful tiger man. The punch bowl has been a pub for over 400 years. It suffered 2 major fires. It's really cool. Look at the tile. Yeah, I could live in this city.
All day, you've been pulling out the camera.
2 days in a row, I've been pulling out the camera every time I hear bells.
And every time you start recording,
Every time I hit record, they stop.
you made it. What up, gin and tonic?
That we made sketchily on the side of the water. This part used to have a fortress on the mound, and it was built to squash a rebellion back almost 1,000 years ago. It's our favorite section of the wall.
As near as I can tell, this is the way to enjoy the wall.
Yeah.
And York in general. You find a secluded piece of the old city wall. You bring a couple cheeky beers. What up, Yeasty Boys Big Mouth Session IPA? I'm going through changes. My voice is dropping.
Your balls are being tripled up inside your body.
Yeah, so that's the end of our stay in York. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, all of that fun nonsense.
We're gonna take a bus to Leeds and then on to Chester. It's the end of York.
Thanks for watching, Mom. Thanks for watching, Holly's mom.
Shout out to Potatoes.
Thanks for watching, Beth.
What up, Black Oyster Stout?
What up, root and berry crumble, an inspiration for my hair color.